What if I told you the One UI 7 update that everyone's been waiting for just got paused right after it started rolling out? Yep, Samsung finally began the Android 15 based update, and then, boom, just like that, it disappeared. Phones that were supposed to get smarter, faster, and sleeker now sit stuck in update limbo, and users are left staring at their screens, wondering what just happened. But here's the twist. There's more to this than just a technical delay, and some users think Samsung's hiding something bigger. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. If you love staying ahead in the Galaxy universe, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more updates just like this. So One UI 7.0 was supposed to be Samsung's biggest software leap this year. It had everything going for it. New multitasking tricks, updated lock screen widgets, Galaxy AI boosts, and even smarter battery features. But then, out of nowhere, Samsung hits the brakes. No warning, just a vague message in the members app saying the update is under inspection. That's like ordering dessert and getting handed a fork with no cake. Naturally, users were furious. Digging deeper, the most likely culprit is a lock screen bug that stretches or squashes the display, basically making phones look like a glitchy mess. It's been spotted on the S24 series and possibly the Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 too. The bug got so out of hand that Samsung had no choice but to suspend the rollout midair. Some even speculated it could be tied to a security flaw in the secure folder. While Samsung hasn't confirmed this, that theory stirred up a lot of anxiety in the forums. But get this, some insiders are claiming the lock screen issue is already fixed behind the scenes. In fact, tipsters are hinting the update might quietly resume within days, maybe even hours. The suspense is unreal right now. People are refreshing the update screen like it's a slot machine. Now, if you're wondering whether your device will get the update soon, here's the good news. Samsung hasn't scrapped the whole thing. It's still coming, just slower. According to the latest chatter, devices like the S24, T Fold 6, and Flip 6 are still at the front of the line once the fix is rolled out. After that, the Galaxy S23 series, S22, and even older A and M series phones will follow, assuming no more bugs crash the party. Also, while everyone's focused on the rollout freeze, don't miss out on the features that are already polished, like Drag to Connect, where you just grab a file and flick it into your Messages app, or the buttery smooth pop-up view for multitasking on the fly. And those carousel-style lock screen widgets, game changer. You can scroll through your to-do list without even unlocking your phone. Plus, Galaxy AI in One UI 7 now learns your patterns better than ever. It gives you smart summaries of calls, auto-replies, and context-aware shortcuts. It's basically like having a digital assistant without needing to say, "Hey Bixby." Combine that with faster syncing across Galaxy Notes, better color palette customizations, and the new charging protection options. It's a solid update that's just hiding in the shadows for now. Here's the bottom line. One UI 7 isn't canceled. It's just reloading. So hold tight, Galaxy fans. If you're one of the lucky few who already got the update before the halt, consider yourself part of an accidental beta test squad. For the rest of us, the wait might be annoying, but at least Samsung's not pushing out a buggy mess. We'll take a little delay over a bricked phone, right? Let me know down in the comments if you've seen any update notifications or weird issues popping up. And hey, if this video helped make sense of the madness, drop a like, share it with your Samsung crew, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next surprise from the Galaxy world. I'll keep you posted as soon as the rollout kicks back in. Catch you in the next one. Peace.